Hello and welcome to Paul Fleischer's class. This is the website pfleischer.com and this is Earth Science. So we're going to click right there. And the first thing, you can read all of this stuff. I don't really want to go over everything in here. I'll go over some highlights, but I strongly encourage you to read everything on this site. I'll start with Google Classroom and Zoom meetings and the attendance policy. You can choose your class here. A lot of people say they can't access Zoom or get to Google Classroom. If you just click on your class, there's Google Classroom right there, and there's the Zoom meeting link. These are the Zoom meeting links for my office hours, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Wednesday. Please call me in my classroom first to let me know that you're ready to meet on Zoom. I've been leaving the computer on, and it's just a waste of energy because very few people show up. As far as attendance, you will be marked present if you attend and participate in a Zoom meeting, or if you turn assignment in for that day, or if you communicate with me via an email or phone in a meaningful way. Otherwise, if you do not, you will be marked absent for those days. Let's see if I go back over here. Many of you have seen the syllabus. This is the 2020 syllabus. The red highlights are added information specifically for 2020. And many of you have already signed this and turned it in. That was the first assignment due. So hopefully you have read that and understand all the policies and procedures of the class. Right here, the first semester assignment calendar. Clicking on that shows you all of the assignments for the semester. The due dates are listed here. Notice as you get down here, some of them are blank. That's because they're not due yet. So you'll see due dates show up as we get closer to the due dates for those particular assignments. If you don't understand what something is, right here it says scavenger hunt done after Zoom meeting. So you click on that and there's the assignment, gives you directions and the work to be done. All of these can be turned in through Google Classroom also. I'll go back over here. I really emphasize the notes. Clicking on class notes will take you to these, the Cornell notes or focus note taking. Here's a description of how to do them. Notes, reflections, summaries. This is what I'm looking for, and this is how I will grade it. I know I'm going very quickly. When you go through this for yourself, you can go a lot more slowly. There's level 1, 2, 3, 4, which takes us to grading. If you click on grades right here, you'll see level 1, 2, 3, and 4. Level 2 is basic information. Level 3 is proficient. Going above and beyond, or level 4 is advanced, and then anything less than level 2 is below basic, and those are the grades. If you want to check your grade in the class, you can click right there. This will take you to the Santa Rosa City Schools Illuminate portal, and you can sign in and check your grades as they are updated. Some people say that they don't remember what we did, or some people missed a Zoom meeting. Right here it says Zoom meeting, daily agendas and objectives. Clicking on that will actually take you to the posted objectives that I put in each Zoom meeting in the chat. So if you look through here, you can actually see and go back and see the different information that we've done over the last Zoom meetings. Speaking of information, the topics and the standards and the links, if you click on that, tells you all the information that we will do for the whole year in order. Rather than going through everything right now, you can go up here and it says these rubrics have a standard illustrating what is expected. Click here to see these rubrics. Clicking there will actually take you to each one of the rubrics. This is the basic level information. This is the proficient level, and then sometimes I've thrown in some hints on how people can get advanced level. So for each one of the standards, here's the second standard we're going to do. There's the basic information, there's the proficient, and then hints on this advanced. So each one of these, I hand these out in class, but obviously this year, people are going to have to access them online. The bell schedule is right here. Clicking on the bell schedule for distance learning. And Mondays and Thursdays are 135s, Tuesdays and Fridays are 246, Wednesday's planning day. Office hours are held on each one of those days. The other thing is I've got a YouTube channel. Many of the videos that I show in class or I have the students watch are on here, and I'll assign them as we go. For example, if we're talking about atmosphere, there's a few on here. You're welcome to look at them ahead of time, or if you didn't get all the information from class, you can go back and check it out. My information right here, contact me through the phone, my office hours. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. I encourage you to check out the website and have a fantastic year.